Welcome. So registration for GATE 2026 would start on 28th of August. So it would go on till 28th September, and then the examination dates have been scheduled for 7th, 8th, then 14th and 15th of February. The results would be announced on 19th of March. Now, one of the very important things this time that you need to know is the changes. So one of the new changes in the section on engineering science paper, right? There is a new section which is added, that is energy science. We will be bringing the content for energy science very shortly on the website. So students who are planning to appear for energy science can take advantage. Now again, under these papers of engineering science, humanities and life science, there is a compulsory paper that you have to attempt, and from the other papers you can select up to 2 options from the combinations that are given. Also, the details of the beginning and the end dates were initially 25th August and 25th September. However, they have been extended to 28th of August and September. Now this would be conducted by IIT Guwahati this time. So that was something very important and crucial for you. Now start your preparation right away. In case you have any questions or queries, you can definitely connect to us. For engineering sciences, for life sciences, you have certain categories that are given, so you can select the combinations from there. The sections on engineering sciences are merged with the sciences here. We would be bringing them separately shortly. So wish you all the best. Thanks for joining, and in case you have any questions or queries, feel free to get our support at the number below. Thank you.